thank you guys for watching. I really wanted you to be able to see me complete an incomplete dominance problem. So I appreciate your attention. In humans, straight hair and curly hair are incompletely dominant traits, resulting in hybrids who have wavy hair. Looking at our phenotypes up here, we see the straight, we see super curly, and then we see that wavy is kind of a mixture of the two, in that they're kind of blended. So even if we hadn't been told that this was an incomplete dominance problem, we would still be able to use those rules of, hey, there's a third phenotype, and that phenotype happens to be a blending of the other two. All right, so we're going to use a Punnett square to show the cross between two wavy-haired individuals. So before we do that, let's just go ahead and identify. We'll say straight is going to be identified with a capital letter, and then curly will be recessive. And it's not because one is dominant over the other. It's just we're going to use H to show hair color, and then we just need a key to help us identify phenotypes when we are looking at the genotypes later. All right, so now that I've identified that, I am going to be setting up this cross for two wavy-haired. And wavy is a hybrid. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my parental genotypes across the top and down the side. And then I'm going to use the same methodology as last week with complete dominance to fill in my possible offspring genotypes. So I'm bringing the letters down from the top and across from the side. Okay, now that I've done that, I can analyze the results. So when I'm looking at genotypic ratio, I'm still just focused on how many different allelic combinations do I have. So I have one big. I have two heterozygous and one homozygous recessive. When I look at the phenotypic ratio, that is going to show all three. So I have one, remember we gave straight hair the capital, so I have one straight to two wavy to one curly. So there's my phenotypic ratio. All right, so what percentage of my offspring are going to have straight hair? Hopefully you're like 25 to 425. And then 50 will be wavy and 25 will be curly. If you're still having some questions or need more clarification, don't forget to contact me, or you can watch the additional videos I have below. Bye, you guys.